Okay, today we're looking at a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT. It's a two-wheel drive. Okay, it's got 82,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, just two previous owners. It's bright white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. Start on the driver's side. All right, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. And just a little dent right through there on the body line there. Another little crack in the paint right there. And just another little wrinkle right there in the paint. A little dent right there. Okay, but it does have 82,000 miles on it. It is a 2011. Okay, so some of that stuff's to be expected. Okay, but it will be competitively priced. Will be fairly priced. Okay, it does have the Lone Star badge here. Got the chrome bumpers, trailer plug-in, trailer hitch. All right, it does have the bed mat in here. Tailgate works good. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good throughout here. All right, once again, 2011, 82,000 miles on it. It's a two-wheel drive. Okay, just another small little ding right there in the hood. Okay, he's got the chrome grille, chrome bumper, clean Carfax, two owners. Okay, two previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the cocoa and the light tan or dark tan combination here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it does have the beige cloth power driver's seat. Cloth looks like it's in good shape. Just a little bit of rub right there on the driver's seat. All right, got the nice big center console here. Keyless entry key fob. All right, got the power outlet there. Okay, and storage underneath. Passenger seat cloth looks good. All right, no problems there. It is an automatic. Okay, got your cup holders over here, cigarette outlet there. There's your climate controls. Got another power outlet right over here. Okay. Single disc CD, MP3. All right. AM, FM radio. The leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your cruise control down here. And then you got your steering wheel audio controls on the back side. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 82,713 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio again. All right, and you got your climate controls here. All right, and one more thing I wanted to show you. It does have the universal remote. All right, you can open up garage doors with that right there. And then it's got the power rear window, okay? So go ahead and show you that. All right, AC is blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view here, the dash and the layout. All right, and it does have a convenient power outlet back here as well. Got the cup holders down here. It does have the bed mat in the back. All right, it is the 4.7 liter V8. It does not have the Hemi. I'm gonna check out the wheels and tires. We've got 20-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT two-wheel drive. Okay, it's got the 4.7 liter V8. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, two previous owners. So it's got 82,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.